So this is the, you can see that basically I just from the NetIQ website only I got this, but this one
Mm-hmm.
is
So,
4.7.
so this is the architecture of 4.8.
No, this is 4.7. I just see this actually slide. It should be
So
4.8.
4.7 and 4.8 architecture is same.
No, there will be slight changes. See, even from 4. I think no, this for this form.io concept has come in only 4.8, 4.7. There was nothing like that actually.
You mean to say console, huh?
Not console. This form builder.
I think form builder is quite a old concept. I think in 4.5 as well, the form builder was there.
Mm,
So you are
no,
saying that form builder is not there right now?
no. What I'm saying that form builder has been introduced in 4.8 only. That's what I'm trying to
Okay. No. Actually, in one of the project, the 4.5 version is using, and the
say.
NetIQ person was using the form builder actually to build the forms. He told me actually.
Oh, probably. Then I don't know. At least
Yeah.
we never used it in because
Mm-hmm.
see, from 4.6 we have upgraded to 4.8. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so in 4.6 also we have never used form builder. So yeah, that's what. So in 4.6 we have not seen anything. In the 4.6 designer, we have never seen anything related to this. Form builder related stuff. So that's the
Mm-hmm.
reason we are, yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have data warehouse, identity reporting, analytics, workflow, role based. What are these white pages?
Sorry,
White pages here? What is white pages? In the identity applications, it shows white pages.
I think it is also probably one application. We generally not. I never use anything. All these white pages.
Mhm.
Um,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay. It's
Um,
like a delegation help desk is there. I think a help desk is like a role where the help desk is able to do some functionalities in for the user,
yeah,
right? Reset password,
right,
something like that.
right, right,
And the
right.
user self service is like resetting the password or enrolling the forget password reset functionality, this type of thing, right?
Mm, 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 right, right.
Okay, I think. And what is this
Actually,
open API and
actually, this
yeah?
this self-service password reset is that is called SSPR. So it
Mm-hmm.
is a small application which they have implemented for like where end users can use it and then do the password reset. But nowadays, most of the organizations are not using this. Like they are using the what do you say this? We have this Azure from Azure. We have the options to reset the passwords. So
Mm-hmm. Single
people
sign on,
are
you mean, right?
huh? Yeah.
Single,
Yeah.
right?
So we can,
Yeah, okay.
yeah, we
So,
can, mm, yeah, sorry.
yeah, yeah. So basically, some sorry. So basically, some of the organization what they are using is they are using the Okta or Ping or maybe Enter ID as a SSO solution, and they
Mm,
integrated with their identity manager solution. And
mm,
through their single sign-on, they are logging to the identity manager application through their SSO. That is the
mm,
IDP,
right, right. Yeah,
right? And then that
yeah.
is how they are resetting the password from there.
That is also one way. Another way is where we can configure the this what is that ADFS.
Mhm.
We can configure the ADFS URL in the IDM user application, so that automatically when you change the uh, what do you say, you can use that ADFS application to reset the password, which will automatically sync the password to the IDM.
Mm.
Okay, so
Got it.
that is also another way. So yeah, yeah, that's about that. And sorry. So delegation is I think it's a concept, so the same regular delegation functionality is available with in user application, where you can delegate your approvals or tasks, anything,
Mhm.
on when you are on vacation or something. So
Mm. Okay. And what is help desk?
actually, there is nothing called help desk as such, but it is just one of the form where you can build, and or you can also assign some roles to some help desk team, and so that they will do this password reset or any this some standard stuff. Okay, so it's
Mm.
like that. Um, and then this open APIs and REST APIs. So this is like at present the identity applications and the form builders actually use this REST calls to communicate with eDirectory. Uh, I think probably first let's see that what is this components. I will try to give an overview of the components, and then we will
Mhm.
come back here,
Sure.
because you don't see that. This thing, yeah, yeah. Okay, this is a better slide. Uh, I'm just seeing that is there any better way to?
Can you please copy paste this link as well in the chat window, please?
Sure, sure. In the end, I will do. So let's
Okay,
continue
sure.
now. Okay. So I think, yeah. So here they have given good this thing. So probably we can use this slide itself. So this is the identity vault. So identity vault is it is a general terminology. You don't see anything like identity vault in the system as such. Okay, it is a
Mm.
general reference. You refer what is identity vault when you say it with respect to if you need to see, or if you need to see something, that is called e-directory. Okay, so
Mm.
e-directory is the LDAP database,
Mm.
which stores the whole data, whatever like the whole users and or all the objects of the IDM will get stored in the E directory. It is a lightweight database. It's actually one of the what do you say? It's a very good with respect to the performance, the E directory. Okay, uh, and um, on top of e-directory, so this the software or the here in the NetIQ terminology we refer it as shim. Okay, so for each and every component, that means for each and every drivers, like we have the various connectors, right? You just mentioned there was an active directory driver.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, we have, like you see here, under the managed systems, AD, Oracle, SAP, like this, all the various types of connectors, right? For each and every connector, there is a jar file that is called driver shim, and this is and apart of this, in the identity vault component, there is a small software which will do the communication, to these external systems, and also to manage the internal systems. That means one is to we have to it has to handle the things inside the IDM, right? Like when you do some task inside the IDM, as well as there is a connectivity to the external applications, right? Like whatever Active Directory and all those things. So to do all this stuff, there is a software. So identity vault is it refers to the E directory and the software which is to manage the whole system. That is called identity vault. That is the general terminology. That's the actual what is identity vault. But in general terms, we simply say E directory. So E directory is the actual thing which you see and which you use it. And this other software and all those things generally we don't care about it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Am
I
I?
think
Is it clear?
we have something called publisher channel, right?
That will come. That we will take when we start with the.
Or what is okay.
Once we start with the driver,
So the
I will.
job,
We will
so
go
the
through that.
job of
Hmm,
sure,
hmm. Yes.
sure. Okay. Yes, yes. I mean, we can go through this.
Huh,
I mean, at the end, if I have any
huh, huh.
questions.
Yeah. So that is called identity vault, and all the communication to external applications. It requires the remote loader. Uh, this remote loader which you have already seen. And so see, this whole in the NetIQ, the software which is underlying is used is Java only. Okay. So because if you need to install the NetIQ IDM, you need to, it's like first they will install the Java and then only you can use the system. So the the underlying software is Java only. Okay. um, and also you can use the Java, you can write the Java code in your drivers as well as in your workflows as well. Like if there is a functionality which you need to implement using the Java, so that also you can do it. Okay. um, and then these things, this manage a system gateway driver and data collection services. These true drivers are the out of box drivers. These are used to synchronize the data from identity vault to the reporting application. So using these true drivers are used. So like you can see that this data collection service driver is will read the data from IDM, and then it will sync the data to the reporting application. Okay. And using this managed gateway,
So this
so the
reporting application is like you.
sorry.
This reporting application is from NetIQ only.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So you can see that. So this, this is here identity reporting warehouse. So,
Mm-hmm.
but this reporting application in NetIQ is not so much effective when there is a huge data. Okay. It is with respect to the performance. It is not that much. What do you say? It's not so effective. So in one of the my organization, what we are doing is uh, we like this database we have given access to the Power BI team, and then they have they have created the certain views in the identity reporting data warehouse, uh, so that using that views they are showing the data in the Power BI. Okay. So yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There is a lag in your connectivity or my connectivity, I don't know.
Okay.
Are you able to hear me? Hello? Hello, Anush?
Yes.
There is I don't know, there is a
So
lag
yeah, Shiv, able to hear you.
okay, no, but your voice is a little bit
Okay.
breaking.
Okay. No problem.
Hello? Okay, fine. You are able to hear
Okay.
me, right?
Now.
But
No. Yes. Yes.
uh, okay. No, but because I need I need that confirmation that you are able to hear me, right? So
Yes. Yes. Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, so that is how this is the two drivers which are responsible for like you can see that the report data collector and the event driven data collector and all this stuff. But ultimately the two drivers purpose is to synchronize the data to the entry reporting application, and where you can view the data using the entry reporting application. Okay.
Mm.
And then now it comes to here, analyzer and designer. Actually, analyzer, this particular component I have seen only in the while NetIQ is giving the training for the, it is purely for raw data analyzing. Okay, there is nothing much with respect to IDM. What do you say? Inside the real-time system, no one has used any till now. Around I worked with four customers, so none of them has used the analyzer for doing something inside the system. Okay. So we are not going to much talk about this analyzer. And designer, yes, this is the the development tool, and this development tool has been implemented using the it's like they have created this using the Eclipse. Okay, so the Eclipse is the using from the Eclipse they have built this designer using which you can do the complete development of related to either drivers, workflows.